Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate an AT&T prepaid phone that you purchased from Walmart. Just follow these simple steps so you can get your phone up and running without any hassle. Step 1. Use a compatible phone. First, you'll need a compatible cell phone. This can be either a phone you already own or a new one you purchased. There's actually no real difference between a prepaid or postpaid phone. What matters is that your device is compatible with the AT&T network. If your phone is unlocked, you can use it right away. AT&T also offers affordable prepaid phones that you can pay for upfront without long-term contracts. Step 2. Get your SIM card. Ready. Next, make sure you have an AT&T prepaid SIM card. A SIM card is the small chip that connects your phone to the mobile network. Some newer phones use eSIM, which is built in and doesn't need a physical card. If your phone already came with a SIM card, simply insert it into your device. If it didn't, you'll need to purchase a SIM card separately before activation. Step 3. Turn on and activate your phone. Once the SIM is inserted, power on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. If you purchased your phone or prepaid plan online, you may also be guided through activation directly on AT&T's website. Step 4. Test your service. After activation is complete, make a quick test call or send a text message. This confirms that your service is working properly. If calling or texting doesn't work, you may need to contact AT&T customer support for help. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, your AT&T prepaid phone from Walmart should be fully activated and ready to use.